Guys, yung property na nakuha namin is a corner lot that is across the parks and playgrounds. Ayan. Ito siya. As you can see, 'di ba? Sobrang tahimik. Naririnig nyo ba yung chirping ng mga birds? Ayan. So, as of the moment, sold out si Pleasantville Subdivision. And then, ang developer namin ay si 650 Homes. Meron siyang panibagong project, which is Via Parkway, 500 meters away from here lang. So, you can expect the same turnover kung paano nyo siya nakikita sa ngayon dito sa Pleasantville Subdivision. Ayan, tara pasukin natin. By the way guys, our unit is a Lincoln unit. Meron siyang 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Upon turnover, hindi kasama yung aming fence. Kami yung nagpa-design yan. Ang aming house. Ito siya. Hi!
Okay.
This is our living room. Ito, pina-customize lang din namin siya. Yung ilalim ng stairs, nilagyan namin siya ng extra storage. Ayan. Wala kasi tayong magamit na model units and sold out dito sa Pleasantville Subdivision. Ayan. So, this is our kitchen.
Beer.
This is our comfort room. And then, ito, pina-extend din namin siya. Ayan. So, open. Yan, may laruan pa ng mga anak ko. Hinahagis nila. Ayan. Ayan. So, dito tayo sa labas. May mini lanay kami dito. Since corner lot nga siya. And then, ayan, usually dyan kami tumatambay, yung mga anak ko. Diba? If you want the same unit, yung corner unit na 3 bedrooms, I recommend Lawan model in Sevilla Parkway. And then, kay Sevilla kasi, mas malaki yung total space or total na laki ng subdivision as compared here to Pleasant Fields. Pero doon, mas maraming parks and playgrounds and mas maraming open spaces as compared to Pleasant Fields subdivision. Though mas konti yung unit na itatayo doon. Yun, mga around 10 ang parks and playgrounds nila. Wherein dito kay Pleasant Fields around 4. So, ayun siya. So, now, ano ba yan nangyari? We're gonna eat. We're gonna chill and relax. Bye!